welcome back to another episode of the Jim Diesel channel, and it's a special one today because we're going to take you around my daily ride. It's a very special vehicle this. It's the Sheeeet armoured personnel carrier, and we're going to take a look around it now. Let's go. So as you can see, this is the Sheeeet. This one's fitted with the privacy dark windows, so when I'm got the kids in the back or I'm taking VIPs, I've got a bit of privacy in there. Stop the press taking photos of them. Just show you these special wheels that we've got fitted here. You're probably thinking, Jim, why is your vehicle so dirty? Well, for all you non-operators out there who don't know the gen, we keep it dirty like this for a reason. If you've ever worked out in South America or in the Banana Republic or Iraq, you'll know why we keep them dirty. Reason for this is someone tampers with my car, sticking bombs underneath or anything like that. You can see there, look, you can see when they've tampered with it. Show you on the back as well. See there? Someone comes up and they've been playing around with the door handles and that, you instantly know. Gives you a bit of a combat indicator. So this is the outside of the vehicle. We've got special headlights fitted. Xenon super beams. We've got these super run flat tyres. You can see there, this one's a bit flat, so I've just been off-roading. It regulates itself, it's pretty cool. You notice the top. This is no ordinary top box. This is ideal because I can keep my ammunition in here. Okay, so if you've got any ammo, separate compartment, stick that in the top. So if you do get into a firefight or an ambush, we can crack into there and we can carry on the fight. It's all good stuff. Let's take a look inside the vehicle. Just want to jump in and say thanks to our supporters on 4K1. We're having a few issues at the minute with manpower, so just going to bring in Jim Mark II, who we cloned, and that's a bit illegal, but we cloned him, and I'll bring him on now, and he's going to talk about 4K1 and some new merch that we've got. Want to come in? Cheers for that, Jim. Yeah, so 4K1, they've cloned him, and you've got me now. Hopefully we can do this with other members on 4K1. Also, we've got new merchandise called the Kemp Doll. Okay, we've got a picture up over there, and if you want one of those, just put a comment in the comments down box below, and we'll get you a Kemp Doll sent out to you. And just want to say thanks for all the support, and see you in the next episode. So this is the inside. Let's go and take a look. As you can see down here, this is where I carry my personal weapon. So I've got my SIG 228 police special. It's the only drama with this, I can keep it in there. There's no other place really that I can put the weapon. I've got like a little net down here that I can stick it in, or in there, but as you can see it's all full of gumph. This is Terry the tortoise, our little lucky mascot. Okay, I'll just run you through. This is the BC stands for battle computer. We've got there. Cup holder down in there. Fucking ridiculous it is. Look at that. Fucking handle in the way. How are you supposed to get in there? Spill your brew. You can see I've got a selection of some amazing 80s CDs. Keep my morale going while I'm driving in this. Got this special switch here. See that? Bit like James Bond-ishy. That switches on my ECM. I'll just take you back around the outside of the vehicle. Yeah, it's right. You heard right. It's fitted with ECM. Got here. So anybody trying to catch us out in an ambush using electronic surveillance devices, that'll cut that out. Vehicle can take 7. Say 7, but realistically 6 if you're all tooled up with webbing, body armour, and you've got your helmets on. you see there, the two can get in the back there, like that. Got a little seat there for Gurkhas. So anyone smaller than 6 foot, they can jump in that seat. Proper seat, that one. Check out the boot. Boot space is a bit tight. Got our satellite dish that we can deploy, and underneath there I've got my 44 Magnum. Not got my weapon on me. I've got the 44 in the boot there, so if someone tries to jump on me, I can from behind. I've got the 44. I can just go to that, which is cool. And that, my friends, is the Severa armoured personnel carrier. My daily ride while I'm on the filthy streets of Suffolk. So I hope you like the walk around of the Severa armoured personnel carrier. Got any comments? Put them down in the comments box below. If you like the channel, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, and then you'll get notified every time I upload a video. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out.